Template engine is very beneficial in Laravel application, and it is used to separate your files. And in a large big applications, we include separate files separately, and we can easily because manage these files because of template engineering. In native PHP, you could see we made include the files like include and header dot php, and in the same way footer to our application. So in Laravel it is a very easy way that we can do it the same thing by templating. And let's create in our view uh, a folder, new folder, template or layouts, anything that you may name it. Mm, let's give it layouts, and in layouts and we create a new file. mm, Save it, app dot blade dot php, and let's include our base structure, and which is the title is document, and here, so this is our header, and this is maybe our header, and we know this is our footer, and we can so this is the base structure, and throughout the application, and we can easily extend this base structure, and we do not require separately to include in each file. So let's create yield our content. So this component is in content. To include our content in our, we have to yield it, and let's create a view in our another folder. Sorry, new folder, home dot blade dot php. Sorry, rename it home, and create a file inside it, home dot blade dot php, and just we need to extend our base template, and which is layouts dot give the name of your base template, which is app, and just create a section which is content to include our content, and end that section. So here we can suppose this is our base template, and suppose this is our nav, and in a, let's create a bootstrap container or a row, and h2 home. Okay, save it. Extend layouts app, which is under layout for app.blade, and we are this is a app, and we are yielding our content, and here in our app home.blade we are giving the creating the content, and let's web set our root home test controller index, and let's open a test controller, and we are returning return view, which is our home directory, and we are using period to separate home, and file is our home. Let's head over to our browser and see we are including our layout. View terminate this statement home.home, refresh it, and we have our home. So it's a nice way to create your templating, and we can easily create. So we can also just let's like a bootstrap create a container here, and yielding the content into our container, and here we can create our script, and under head we can include our link style sheet. So this style sheet and this script can be accessed throughout our application by using templating. So extends layouts app and creating a section for content, and all these head and the footer. So we can also yield our footer, and where you required your footer in a file, so you can access, sorry, these are not where you can create section footer, and you have to end your section. So we can now create our footer. Footer goes here, and now we can see, we can check. So section footer and section, and where it is div container section footer. So footer goes here. So this is the base templates, and in the next video we will extend it, and we will use partials and other ways to include to file, and how we can make it a smooth template engine that we can access throughout our application, a big large in applications.